it's a great fan. And you can use this remote, and it has different settings that are amazing. And so, like I said, I'm a perimenopause, so at night I need this. And the cord that you need is, I had to order this cord. It's a Type-C USB cord, because I have a fast charger for like my phone and other items, but don't put this on a fast charger. So order one of these cords and it charges it up, and it works amazing. My first update, I was so frustrated. So yeah, so all right. I think you should go ahead and order it.